In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Saily eSIM app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, I'll remove this app from my smartphone and take you through the steps from the beginning to the end. Now, to install the right Saily eSIM app, you need to go to your Google Play Store if you are on Android smartphone, or App Store if you are on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Google Play Store here, open it, and then search for your app using the search bar. Just search it by name. So I'll just type Saily and then run the search. Here you can see our app is here. Tap on it, and before you install it, make sure it is from Node Security, and make sure the tagline is travel, eSIM and data. Currently, this is the logo of this app. Now, at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with over 88,000 reviews, and the average file size is over 50 MBs. At the moment, this app has been downloaded over 5 million times. However, by the time you are watching this data might have changed. So if you see all these details, you will know that you have the right Saily eSIM app. To install, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Saily eSIM app and finally install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, you can now proceed and open or go to your app. So you'll find your app. This is the opening interface that is on the home page. From here, you can now set up your eSIM to start enjoying eSIM services while away. So that's how you can install the right Saily eSIM app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.